Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to today's session. My name is Chanda Shamshad and in this video we are going to practice important MCQs for PPSC exams. These questions are very helpful for your preparations. So let's begin. What is the largest organ of the human body? The correct answer is skin. What is the normal human body temperature? The correct answer is 98.6 Fahrenheit. The largest planet in our solar system is. The correct answer is Jupiter. The gas essential for breathing is. The correct answer is oxygen. Vitamin C is found in. The correct answer is lemon. The planet which has the largest number of moons is. The correct answer is Jupiter. The blood in human body is pumped by. The correct answer is heart. The planet known as red planet is. The correct answer is Mars. The human brain is protected by. The correct answer is skull. Which vitamin is necessary for blood clotting? The correct answer is vitamin K. Blood in the human body is purified by. The correct answer is kidney. Which part of the human body produces insulin? The correct answer is pancreas. Which vitamin is produced in human skin by sunlight? The correct answer is vitamin D. The chemical name of common salt is. The correct answer is sodium chloride NaCl. The liquid metal at room temperature is. The correct answer is mercury. Blood cells responsible for fighting diseases are. The correct answer is white blood cells. The first vaccine discovered was for. The correct answer is smallpox. The device used to measure blood pressure is. The correct answer is sphygmomanometer. The blood group known as universal donor is. The correct answer is O negative. Which vitamin prevent night blindness? The correct answer is vitamin A. Which part of the plant makes food? The correct answer is leaf. Which blood cells carry oxygen? The correct answer is red blood cells. The freezing point of water is. The correct answer is 0 degree. Which organ produces bile? The correct answer is liver. Which gland is called the master gland? The correct answer is pituitary gland. Which vitamin helps in calcium absorption? The correct answer is vitamin D. The smallest bone in the human body is in the. The correct answer is ear. The human body has how many chromosomes? The correct answer is 46. The largest gland in the human body is. The correct answer is liver. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? The correct answer is mercury. The human heart has how many chambers? The correct answer is 4. The branch of science which studies weather is. The correct answer is meteorology. The first antibiotic discovered was. The correct answer is penicillin. Which vitamin deficiency causes scurvy? The correct answer is vitamin C. Which organ controls balance in the human body? The correct answer is ear. The main gas present in the sun is. The correct answer is hydrogen. The process by which plants lose water is. The correct answer is transpiration. The earth is also called. The correct answer is blue planet. The gas used in making bread rise is. The correct answer is carbon dioxide. Which vitamin is known as ascorbic acid? The correct answer is vitamin C. The layer of atmosphere where weather occurs is. The correct answer is troposphere. The study of insects is called. The correct answer is entomology. The bones in the human ear are called. The correct answer is ossicles. The human blood contains how much water approximately? The correct answer is 90%. The energy stored in food is. The correct answer is chemical energy. The study of the environment is called. The correct answer is ecology. The organ that stores bile in the human body is. The correct answer is gallbladder. The process of converting liquid into gas is. The correct answer is evaporization. The planet with the longest day is. The correct answer is Venus. The first animal to go into space was. Dog, Laika. That's all for today's session. I hope these MCQs were helpful for your PPSC preparations. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more practice questions. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.